Hi guys, it's me back again. I've now gone over this piece with a 40 grit sandpaper on a rubber mandrel that goes onto a drill, and I'll just turn it around for you so you can see just what I've done. So here we've actually got a root coming through here. There's another one down here. At the moment I'm leaving that like it is and just seeing which one I like the best. This is the dark side. So from here what I'm going to do is oil it and then I'll continue sanding, and what that does is the oil holds the fine wood dust, sort of makes it into a like a peanut butter paste. Anyway, it's a lot more easy to manage. It doesn't get up in the air, up your nose, on your clothes, wherever. And then I go right through to all the different stages. I go from 40, I'll go to 80, 150, probably go through about 320, I think, with this. And then I'll put a French polish on the top of it. But anyway, you'll be able to see the progress. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget, give me a like, comment, or subscribe. Cheers, thank you, bye-bye.